Hi, my name is Mark Easley. I'm going to quickly navigate through a Salesforce.com application that we wrote for FEMA and show how Salesforce can be used as a tool for folks that are working for FEMA or working with FEMA in the field in disaster situations. Here I've gone ahead and logged in on my iPad into the FEMA application. You can see I have a desktop. Along the top we have a series of tabs that are specific to my work, my job, things that I'm interested in. You can see disaster declarations, assistance requests, evacuees, temporary housing, and then our reports and dashboards feature. Down here at the bottom is an example of some of those dashboard components and reports. And here we're doing some disaster reporting by region. I also have access to my tasks and calendar events that I may be involved with as I'm working. Over here on the left-hand side is a recent items bar. So from here I can see recent assistance requests. I can see recent temporary housing objects that I've navigated to, and also evacuees. I also have a general search bar at the top of the screen that allows me to search across all of these objects and any data and information that's in Salesforce. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the evacuee. In here I can see recent evacuees. I can specify just females or males. I can go in and specify views that I'm interested in. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just bring up Amy Schenk, the record. Here I can see her age category is 2 to 12. She's female. We have health assessment information and also who to contact about this employee and any other related records associated with this particular evacuee. Let's jump over to the temporary housing object. Here, if I go into an example of a temporary housing record, you can see some of the information we're capturing is address information, along with any evacuees that may be related to this particular record. Salesforce supports an approval process, so we have the ability to actually create a temporary housing record very quickly and submit it for approval if there's some sort of a process that we want to capture in that scenario. I can also actually use the mapping features of the iPad and pinpoint where that temporary housing location is on the map. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to navigate back to Salesforce, and we're going to do one other thing quickly. From my quick create bar, I'm going to go ahead and create an assistance request. Here what I can do is fill out information about an assistance request of somebody that has a requirement, a quick requirement. I can specify a contact or not. I can say this is a food and water request, that it may or may not be an emergency or low priority. They have, we'll just say they have access to phone. And let's just say they need some Band-Aids. Again, I can fill out any information that's applicable or important to capture what I need for this particular case. Another feature that's pretty useful within the application that we set up here is the ability to use the GPS capability of the product to go ahead and map out my GPS coordinates. So it brings up my location on a map, and then I can save those and have those available back at the case. So I don't have to go in and create the address or type that in. I automatically have that saved with the case, and along with that, the longitude and latitude GPS coordinates for that. And again, that can be shown as available within the map right from the application. That's it. That's just a quick look at our Evacuee Management Force.com application. Thank you, and I appreciate your time.